I want to see us on the other side of this trend line, something like that. And then I can consider longs at like $60 or something. If this is the range, then our target is up here at 116. So again, you get about a double. What is the risk reward on that, by the way? Stop down here right below these lows, and we'll make the target around 100. So still 5-to-1 risk reward, not bad. Weekly chart. Again, another new one. You did have a nice breakout here. This was kind of your long in this area. I mean, it's a long until this breaks down right here. Looks like it's consolidating for another move higher. If we can say this is your range, this is the high, this is the low, then you know your target maybe is somewhere up here, the 78.6, 61.8 area. Once you clear this, definitely 78.6 to 88.6. So then what's your trade? You could long here, stop below these lows a bit, not here, but a bit lower. And your target is the 78.6 area. Risk reward 4.65. It's not bad. It's much better than the other charts. He's not perfect, but I like how the daily looks decent. So that's the trade I would suggest. I like that much better than the previous one we looked at. CRV, same thing. I mean, these all kind of look similar. You know, CRV is just starting to break out. On the daily, it broke out quite a while ago, right? So this was kind of your long if you were trading RSI. Now we've got major bullish signal and potential breakout. So I need a confirmation above this. We are hitting this 200 EMA. That's a problem. You might get rejected from that. Maybe on the rejection right here, you enter. So around 80 cents would be the nice entry. Set your stop below these lows down here, and then your target. Where's your target? I would put your target right above these highs. Gives you a 5-to-1 risk reward. You could also consider your range to be here to here, and then you can set your target more conservative, 78.6. It still gives you a 3.5-to-1. It just depends on your risk profile. If you want to take profits faster, then you take profits at this level. Take a little bit more at 88.6, and then you can go for the home run above the liquidity zone from there. Again, not bad, but I worry about this 200-day moving average that often acts as a support and resistance area. You can see the last time this kind of took off was over here, and it ran into this 200-day moving average and just got rejected and dumped. And then the other side, the 200-day worked as a support level. Same here. You see how it got rejected a bit before finally pushing through, and when it did, you had a huge green bar, even though on my chart it's white. And again, the reason my bars are only white is to remove any kind of biased ICE. Never even heard of a lot of these coins. Oh my God, when did this come out? 2022. So big rally from originally 16 cents all the way to $2. And now it had like almost like a bull flag consolidation right here, right? Like that. Kind of like this in a way. So it's your consolidation, bull flag, breakout. Now we're on the other side. Entry would have been nice down here, but even here is not terrible, but I would have preferred down here as a much better entry. So try to get an entry around here. Set your stop below this low over here, right down there, and then your target can be right above the liquidity highs or around the highs, and you get a nice 5-to-1 risk reward. I think it's a conservative target. If you want to go for like a home run, you could do a chaos level from this range to the top of this range, right? This is kind of your W. Here's your 1.618, and your 4.669 is all the way up here. I like using 2.618 for conservative reasons to take profits, and that kind of lines up with these highs before. You still get a 7-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So that's Popsicle Finance. Not bad. Stop at about $1, entry at around $1.20, $1.25, and take profit 250. So if you can hit that 2.618, boom, you've got nearly 100% profit. Not a bad trade. KP3R Keeper Tether. Yeah, this one looks a bit better. I mean, these all kind of look similar, right? On a weekly, you can see this is trying to start to break out. It's trying to put in a bottom. It is running into a 7, 8, and 9. Trend heuristic is still in a downtrend. What are these spikes showing me? We're not on the other side. Are we on the other side? Let me go to a daily. We're not on the other side of this trend line. I want to see how this trend line has acted as resistance. I want to see us on the other side of this trend line. Something like that, and then I can consider longs at like $60 or something to try to, you know, assuming if this is the range, then our target is up here at 116. So again, you get about a double if it works out. So that's another one. What is the risk reward on that, by the way? Stop down here right below these lows, and we'll make the target around 100. So still 5-to-1 risk reward, not bad. Okay. Michael asked for QBTS. Is it a stock? D-Wave Quantum? Yeah, this is a little bit better. I feel like there's still some time to entry on this. It's kind of just oscillating here, but I need to see a breakout on this daily. It looks like it's trying to, and obviously you have, right? We're getting on the other side of that 200-day moving average. Target for ABCD points to 370. And if we assume that this is your like little W, let's see what that points to. Yeah, so 450, 370 and 450. Why don't we look at this from the highs and draw some fibs and see what we get as a 38.2 retracement. So 38.2 retracement for this would be $5, which is big resistance up here. So that's, let's say your potential target is $5. So then I would set my stop below the ultimate low down here. And my target of this 38.2 retracement, a little bit conservative again, risk reward 4-to-1. It's not bad. It looks like it's consolidating before it breaks out. It's fighting with that 200-day moving average. You could use this as your other target to maybe take 50%. The risk reward is not nearly as attractive. I can pull up. I mean, we can pull up and be stopped here, and then we've got a decent 4-to-run. It's just your chances of being stopped are much higher, obviously. But then you get your 4-to-1. So you got to make your decision. What is your risk profile?